Delicious Thai chicken Massaman curry, another dish that you should not miss. สวัสดีค่ะ Hi everyone, welcome back to MsYoo Thai cooking channel. And today I'm gonna show you all how to make the chicken Massaman curry. Very easy to cook, it's not too complicated to prepare all the ingredients. Right, let's go to see ingredients. So I will use chicken thigh for my Massaman curry, potatoes, onions, coconut milk, mix coconut milk with water, roasted peanuts, tamarind juice, Massaman curry paste, palm sugar, fish sauce, salt, cooking oil. First, I will start to peeling the potatoes. So after I finish peeling the potatoes, I will grate a little bit of potatoes for exquisite. Like this, and wash it again after I finish. And I will start to cut my potatoes like this. And I cut it half again. Here we go. And my potatoes look very pretty. And after that, I will cut my onions like this big. Here we go. And all done. And let's make the curry. First, I will put the cooking oil to the wok. So I will wait until the oil is getting hot. Then I will put the Massaman curry paste into it and then stir it up. So I will keep stirring it up until you can smell the Massaman curry flavor. The curry smells very good now. Next, I will put the coconut milk for 2 scoops and stir it up. So for this step, I will use the medium heat and I will keep stirring up until the coconut milk and the curry mix well. So when it's ready, I will put my chicken into it. So I will put the skin part to the bottom first, like this. Then I will move the chicken a little bit, like this, and keep cooking on this side for a couple minutes. And then flip over to the other side. It's just in the beginning. The chicken Massaman curry is already smells so good. And I'm gonna keep cooking on this side for another few minutes. Then I will put the coconut milk again. Put all the rest of this bowl. Then I'm gonna stir it up. So now, I will put mixed coconut milk and water into it. Then I will stir it out for a little bit. And then I will put the potato into it. So I will find the room to put my pretty potatoes. So I will put all the potatoes. Then I will move up a little bit for the chickens and the potato, they have enough room. Here we go. Then I will close the lid and cook it for 10 minutes. Wow, look at that. Smells so good. And I will flip over the chicken to other sides. And the potato is already 80% cooked. When all the chicken flip over already, so now I will put the onion into it. And separate the onion into a chunk, like this. Then put roasted peanuts into it. Then I'm gonna stir it up and mix all the ingredients well together. Here we go, perfect. Now, let's seasoning the curry with the tamarind juice in first. Here we go. Salt, fish sauce, next, palm sugar. Here we go. The chicken Massaman curry smells delicious right now. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try it. Lovely flavor. So now I'm gonna stir it up with very carefully with the potatoes, because I don't want to eat mashed potato curry. So I will keep cooking for another few minutes. So now it's done. For Thai chicken Massaman curry, very important when you're seasoning, Massaman curry must have a 3 flavor taste. It have to be the sweet flavor taste first, and then salty and sour in the end. Absolutely perfect. So this is Thai chicken Massaman curry is already done. Incredible smell, and I can't wait to sit on my table, and this is to die for. You wanna have this dish with the rice, or you wanna have this dish with the bread, it's also good. And trust me, we will want to make this dish over and over again. It's so easy to find the ingredients, and you can get the Massaman curry paste from the Asian grocery store. Well done with Thai chicken Massaman curry. Amazing dish, incredible flavor taste. And enjoy it with your favorite bread. To all of you, thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope you like this video, and I hope this video was fun and helpful. If you like this video, please share the recipe to your friends and your family, or invite your friends to come and have a homemade cooking together. If you like this video, please press like, press share, and don't forget to subscribe for my YouTube channel for more. If you guys have any question, or you want me to show you to cook your favorite dish, please leave the comment on the below. Good luck, and I hope you enjoy your homemade cooking, and I see you all next video. สวัสดีค่ะ